Hey guys! Today let's learn how to use a level and camera on iPhone. So if you guys want to go ahead and use this level feature, in this video tutorial, I'm gonna teach you guys how to do this and how to enable this. So please watch this video until the end to find out how. Alright guys, so what we need to do first to display this specific option is to tap on our settings. And I want you to go to the camera options. In the skis, I'm gonna scroll down until I see the camera applications. And right here, gonna tap on this. And want you to scroll down until you see this option called level. Now, since we want to go ahead and enable the level, all we need to do is just have this enabled and go ahead and launch the camera options. As you see, once you launch the camera options or the camera applications and try to take a photo, you can actually see the level option. As you see right here, it's actually shown. And once we tilt our device left, right, of course, it's gonna lock and show you that. It's gonna change color and keep it level and ready for you to take a photo. As you see, all we need to do is just that, to have it level. And all we need to do is just basically follow the guidelines and see if our photo is level. That's all for this video guys. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys on the next one. Please like this video and subscribe as well if you guys did. And take care.